Back your line. Go, back your line. Eh, hold your ball lagi. Walang sa iman. Free ball. Oh, gilid mo kayo lagi. Eh, Srika. Asa naman? O, yung ball lang kinakuman. Dun. Lagi yung tinanong. Hindi ka space ka naman ba? Ano naman eh, kay. Kay sa kay. Go dribbling na wala. Ting, atas ka ng mga ting. Dubol na kayo. Atas. Distance. Sige nga yung distance ko sa tubang. Sige. Buta lang ikaw na naman tayo. Kana, talingin nyo dyan. Sige, tuloy na ang bata doon. Tuloy na ang bata. Next time, ito ngipon. Next, naroon na ikaw yung mga bata. Sige, atas, hindi siya may. Atas, dubol na kayo. Follow na, follow. Katong goal. I-follow. Sige, follow na to. Yo, katong goal. Ate, okay na naman ate. Kana. Oh. Okay. Wala yung mga dribble, please. Okay. Tilo. Oh, ato, facing dito. Okay, tanawa straight mo. Oh, kuya. Up, tanawa dito. Ito na sa tumang. O, ano dito mag? Walang sabi mag-dribble. Okay. Sige. Kuya, nasa ka po eh. O, dinsan. Sige. Okay. Coach 2. Kuhanin na niya o duwag na niya. Ibalik ito sa first time. Okay, this time. Guys, ball slap. Slap the ball. Aside, okay. Go. Okay. Count up. Paminaw. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, until 10. Kuha. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, until 10. Ready? Go. Ball slap. Go. Sige, go. Malayo lang. Hey. Go! 1, 2, 3, 2, slap the ball! Kuska, harder! Walang tiyan! Gilibutan sa tiyan! Hold the ball! Hold the ball, Fred! Hold the ball! Slap the ball! Slap the ball! Stop! Nganong di man ka count? Wala di ka magdungan kay wala nang chest out, back out, and hold the ball in front. Okay, kung sa defense pa, defense. Pero with the ball mo na athleticism. Kay bola na yung mata. Again, athleticism. Burang tayo nagsakay o bike. Kung tayo nagsakay o bike or nagsakay o horse. Imagine nagsakay ka o horse. Imagine nagsakay o horse. Pero ang atong leg din naka-open. Naka-parallel sa atong shoulder. Okay. Ate, wide na tayo. Shoulder na level ang atong open sa tunay. Shoulder na level. Chest out. Chest out. Then back out. Gawas sugot. Back out. Kuya, chest out. Doon. Si Brad. Tanawa. Kuya, malisin mo kuya. Hey, mali mo nga. Chest. Bayan, gawas sugot. Ay, hindi ko chest. Chest out. Very good. That's one, Brad. Ayan yun. Chest out. Hey, good. Bend your knee. Chest out, back out. Okay. This time. Hold the ball in front. Kuya. Okay, good. Pas. Sige na. Tip of the finger. Tip. Dili palm. Okay. Good. Ready. 1, 2, 3, 1. Go. Stop. Again, lagi. Everybody count. Tinawag rin. Basta i-shout na to. Di ba magdumanda? Ready. Everybody count. Go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shout. Pastor, paspas! Paspas! Okay, up after something. Okay. Throw the ball. Isa ang ball sa taas. 3 counts. Ayan, patatlong doon na. Isa lang. Okay, stop. Ingon ko, 3 claps. Throw the ball, then 3 claps. Ready? Good. Oh, wala batala. Kasala. Okay. Ganun na. Hey, Mino, lagi mo. Gagana ng pizza. Agad. Hello. Okay, listen na. Ingon ko, through the ball, 3 claps. Nya, one, pizza. Go. Ready? Go! 3, 1, 1, 2, go! Go! Dewata kuya, ate, dewata, ipatuloy ko. Report. Good! That's one, nice school. Good luck. Okay, this time 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Next. Close your leg. Bend your knee. Then ball around your knee. Ready? Go. Pas yun. 1. Pas.
Dagan yun.
Come! Stop! Reverse! Balik! Go! Okay, ikutan ng ball sa boss. Inhale and exhale. Ha! Sige. Okay, hold the ball. Hey, this time, athletic stand. Ball sa inyong hips. Ball sa inyong knee. Then athletic stand. Okay. Ang right hand, gunin sa ball. Right hand, gunin sa ball. Right hand. Then balik na. Balik. Yeah. Na. Okay, right hand sa inyong knee. Okay. Imagine ang ball nasa inyong knee, nasa inyong tuhod. Then, ang isa ka ball, protect the ball. Okay, protect. Then, dribble the ball sa knee level. Knee level lang, then protect the ball. Eyes on front, dribble tanaw. At tubang sa kuha. Go! Sige, continue. Dribble, pound the ball as hard as you can. Go! Dribble, kuya, bro, dribble. Sige, slowly na bro. Tubang si bro. Sige, lang bro. Sige lang. Try lang bro. At tubang, hindi kabutan ng bola. Kuya, hoy. Inhale, exhale. Okay, inhale. Okay. Put the ball sa tong left. Wala. Knee lang yapon. Knee level. Tuhod. Okay. Dribble the ball. Go. Eyes on protect the ball. Hindi na kuya. Nice one, bro. Dribble lang, bro. Sige, bro. Dribble lang. Okay, sorry, bro. Bro. Nice, bro. Enjoy lang. Hard na, hard. High school, hard. Usok. Ayaw mo. Oh, high school, tanaw. High school, tanaw rin. Pila. Oh, pila. High school, dili tanaw sa ako, kuya. Oh, asa ka rin tanaw, pila. Di tanaw rin sa ako, tanaw rin. Pila. Okay, this time, stop, hold the ball. Inhale, exhale. Ha! Okay, put the ball at your hips. Hips. Okay, this time, dribble back your knee and then stand. Oh, right. Oh, hips. Dribble the ball as hard as you can, pero ang hips na itong level. Ang katasod sa ball. Oh, hips na, direct shoulder. Hawak ka. Hey, taas ka na. Hips na, hips. Go. Hips na, bend your knee. Good, protect the ball. Hey, protect the ball. Kuya, protect the ball. Go, protect the ball. Bend your knee, protect the ball. Hard. Dribble hard. Okay, bro. Kili lang, bro. Nice, bro. Kili the ball sa bro. Nice, bro. Oh, kili the ball sa bro. Kili the ball. Okay, harder. High school. Okay, hard. Good. High school. Pound the ball in high school. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold the ball. Okay. Wala na mag-dribble. Okay, this time, balik sa wala. Okay, ready? Go! Protect the ball. Bend your knee. Good. Protect the ball. Go. Hard. High school. Hard. Elementary. Go. Play the ball sa elementary. Kuya, ito na sa iyo. Ayaw i-front mo ulit. Ito na, stand mo rin. Ayaw i-front mo ulit. Protect the ball, kuya. Very good. Okay, eyes on front. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold the ball. Okay. Kinanglan, may mahulog ang bola. At hindi mo ka-jumping jack. Next. This time. Balik ka sa knee, dribbling, pero close your eyes. Go on. Oh, bro, hindi sa kamay. Close, bro. High school, huwag ka na nag-pass na kamay. Dribble ka, feel the ball, close your eyes. Hey, hold the ball. Guys, practice man eh. Lisod man kayo mag-practice sa dribble nga tanaw na to ang bola. So you need to feel the ball, bisan di mo ma-direct ang ball based sa inyong hand. So, ang practice sa Milo, nasa blindfold. Pagkapin nga blindfold nga butang. Pero Milo man to, kini nato libre man, katubayan man. So magpiyong lang ka. Wala nang magkat ha. Magpiyong, except sa beginners, bro. Pwede mag-open of eyes si bro. Katong di makabalo tayo, pwede mag-open of eyes. Pero katong kapag wala na mag-dribble, close your eyes. Okay? Ready? Athletic stand. Put your ball on your knee. Tuhod, knee. Then, close your eyes. Dribble. close your eyes. Feel the ball. Go. 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 Hard. Hard. Next one. Now, bro, kung tayo ka close your eyes, bro, close. Go. Close your eyes, bro. Go. Gi. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold the ball. Oh, wala ko yung kita na nabuhian ng bola. So, medyo kabalo-kabalo na ha. Okay, 3 clubs. Huli mo uno. Isa. Okay, 3 clubs. Oh, nahulog. Jumping jack. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Ready? Oh, wala na salita. Wala. Ready? Close your eyes. Dribble the ball. Go. Close your eyes. Good. Close your eyes. Good. Okay. Let's go. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Hold the ball. Okay. Slap the ball 5 times. Slap. Okay. This time. Okay. V dribble. Letter V. Valencia. Kuya. Oh, mana? V dribble. Knee lang yan po. Ayo. Hey, stop. Hold the ball. Knee level. Tuhod lang yan po. Ready? Eyes on front. Ayaw tanawa ang bola. Again, ayaw tanawa ang bola. Eyes on front. Letter V. Ready? Go! Knee level lang. Good. Very good, kuya. Oh, pas. Mas mayo. Go. Ayaw hangad. Go. Oh, kung pas, mas mayo. Go. Di, paspasin yun. Di. Oh, pas, mas mayo. Oh, tanawan niya si Mio si Kuano. Kuya, pas, mas mayo. Go. Di. Swing your body. Swing. Okay, swing your body. Swing. Go. Di, control the ball. Di lang. Go. Next one. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold the ball. Okay, inhale, exhale. Ha! Inhale, exhale. Ha! Okay, this time, hips level na ta. Ready? Go. Go. Swing the ball. Go, buddy, swing. Go with the rhythm. Shoulder bend. Oh, body swing. Go. Swing. Go. Ay, pas. Ready? Ay, ayaw i-carry. Tinggal ka. Swing on. Ayaw i-carry. Good. Kana. Ayaw i-carry. Go. Ayaw i-lift yung ball. Kaya ikaw lang. Go, Benjamin. Hey, athletic son. Go, athletic son. Here, kuya. Go, bro. Bilang. Go, bro. Sige, go. Now, next one. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold the ball. Inhale, exhale. Now, another dribble. Through the ball. 5 blocks. Oh, may nataga. Jumping jack. Nataga. Jumping jack. Go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hold the ball. Okay, ready? Okay. Kanina, V man itong gigi mo, pero gibaling sa walang tumo. This time, knee level, V dribble, pero right hand lang. V dribble, right hand lang. Oh, na. Okay. Ready? Right hand lang. Ready? Go! Knee lang. Ayaw itaas, knee lang. Coach, tanawa, taas kay kuya. Knee lang, ubus ba? Good. Kanina, tanawa. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. For the ball. Inhale, exhale. Okay, through the ball, clap 3 times. Wait, no. Okay, no. Jumping jack, no. Ready, 1, 2, 3, up. Ready. Okay, for the ball, wala na sa ta, wala. Wala. Big dribble. Ready. Go. Wala. Ilang ni. Tuhod. Ano ni kayo lisod pa? Tuhod sa ta. Slow bounce. Go. To the ball. Big. Shake your body. Go. Go with the ball. Bring the ball together with your body. Go. Swing. Go. Good. Nice one, bro. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Focus. Sasakapin mo yung direction sa ball. Go. Ready? Go. Gina. Slowly lang. Feel the ball. Slowly lang. Roll. Dawag ka sa tuon. Dawag ka sa wala. Ayaw kumain yung position. Athletic stand pa rin. Roll the ball lang. Roll the ball. Go. Roll. Good. Dayon. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. Balik ang tuyo sa bola. Balik. Hindi na. Balikan niyo yung tuyo. Reverse. Ito na po. Likod lagi. Good. Likod lagi. Go. Ate. Go. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. Balik. Go. Likod sa lagi. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, kulong yun. Yan. Ay, Next one, coach. Okay, go. Alright, I know we. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this time.
Balik ka na kunin mo ka na ipad ka na.
Saan ginagawa?
Apel. Napalayo ko ba? Okay, lagi ako. Ano ba?